now that we've covered the highs and lows of ECLAT, let's see where this algorithm is actually making a difference in the real world. Because theory is great, but real-world applications, that's where things get exciting. And trust me, once you see what ECLAT can do, you might just start spotting its impact everywhere, whether you're shopping online, scrolling through recommendations, or even in fields you'd never expect. Let's start with retail, because if there's one place where frequent item set mining is king, it's in market basket analysis. Every time you walk into a store, your purchases are generating patterns, and businesses are using those patterns to predict what you'll buy next. Ever noticed how online stores seem to know exactly what to recommend? That's not magic. That's ECLAT, or algorithms like it, in action. By analyzing millions of transactions, retailers uncover which products are frequently purchased together, helping them optimize store layouts, create product bundles, and even launch targeted discounts. If a store realizes that people who buy barbecue grills also tend to buy marshmallows and chocolate, they're not just going to leave it to chance. They'll strategically place those items together, throw in a s'mores kit bundle, and boom, sales increase. But it's not just retail. Telecommunications companies use ECLAT to analyze customer behavior and predict churn. By identifying which services are commonly used together, they can detect patterns that signal when a customer might be about to cancel their subscription. That way, they can step in with special offers, upgrades, or personalized customer service to keep them on board. And let's talk about web analytics, because if you think companies aren't tracking what you click, think again. ECLAT is used in web usage mining to understand how people navigate websites. By analyzing which pages users visit in sequence, businesses can optimize website design, improve user experience, and even boost ad targeting. If a company sees that visitors who browse a particular category almost always end up purchasing a specific product, they can adjust their website layout to guide users there faster, increasing conversions. Then there's bioinformatics, which takes ECLAT into an entirely different domain, gene association studies. Scientists analyze massive genetic data sets, looking for patterns between co-occurring genes. This helps them identify genetic markers linked to diseases, paving the way for new treatments and early diagnosis methods. And if that doesn't blow your mind, I don't know what will. So whether it's influencing what you buy, predicting how you browse, or even shaping the future of medicine, ECLAT is working behind the scenes to extract insights from massive data sets. And that's why understanding it is so valuable. Now, speaking of valuable insights, let's talk about something important. You're already here learning how to level up your data skills. So why not take it a step further? If you're enjoying this breakdown, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. That way, you'll never miss an update on data science, machine learning, and all the powerful tools shaping the future. Plus, it helps me keep bringing you content like this. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's keep this journey going. And speaking of keeping things going, next up, we're diving into how to prepare data for ECLAT. Because no matter how powerful an algorithm is, it's only as good as the data you feed it. Let's get into it.